Welcome back. You're still tuned into Market Fatafat. But let's put the spotlight on Tata Steel then and the management of Tata Steel. Tata Steel CEO Mr. TV Narendran says that the ceasefire has brought relief to businesses after disruptions to supply chains and manufacturing. He also adds that steel demand continues to remain very strong, supported by infrastructure and industrial activity, though rising input costs are forcing companies to pass on the impact of higher raw material prices. Listen into a slice of that conversation.
Actually, if you look at the beginning of this calendar year, things were moving very well. I think the war has caused some concern, but otherwise, when I look at steel consuming segments pretty much across industries, it was strong, including rural markets and urban markets, construction, automotive, everything was strong. So I think the concern is more the inflationary pressures, supply chain disruptions, but more, I think, inflationary pressures because the costs are going up. Obviously, then everyone tries to pass it on to the customers. It hurts customers. So, it's a difficult situation. But I think India is probably reasonably well positioned. We are, of course, sensitive to oil prices and exchange rates. But otherwise, the macroeconomic fundamentals are strong. The fiscal space is there, as the finance minister said. So as long as the focus on the infrastructure spend and the other enabling stuff happens, I think it's good for the country.
Right. So while you're bullish on growth for the country, but of course the near-term pain remains, and of course there is some caution as far as businesses have. While on the domestic and the consumption side, we've spoken to business leaders, they say that we're going to be watching out for the next couple of months for that. But, when it comes to the steel industry, what exactly are you sensing? For how long is this pain going to continue? And probably that could also have an impact on prices as well.
So the biggest consumer of steel from an industry point of view is construction. Okay, so we're watchful about migrant labor. We keep hearing stories that labor is going back to villages because of gas supply issues, food issues, cost issues. That's something we are watchful on. But so far it's not yet impacted, but we are watchful. And that's why we are happy that if there's a respite in the activity in the Middle East, then things will settle. That's a concern. Auto is going quite strong so far. In fact, there's a switch a little bit more towards the EV side because people are trying to insulate themselves from the impact of fossil fuels. So overall, we are okay so far, but let's wait and see how it pans out.
All right, so that's the word coming in from the